Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of 24-Hour Self-Confidence, PLR, which launched on the 2nd of September at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, on Labour Day in fact. In this review video, I'm going to be going through this excellent new private label rights release, which as the title suggests is all dealing with self-confidence. So it's an evergreen niche, one that all marketers need of course. Our confidence does tend to dive from time to time when we get the sort of challenges that we invariably do online, and so we always need different methods to help us to deal with that. But of course, this is a completely evergreen product that extends well beyond the fields of internet and affiliate marketing. Everyone is always in need of ways to handle their own self-confidence, whatever field that they're working in, whether they're trying to do something like lose weight, give up smoking, or if they're a sportsman that wants to focus on a particular goal. This is really a completely evergreen product and multi-purpose for every situation. So if this sounds like it's something that is of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up 24-Hour Self-Confidence from the link immediately underneath this review video. I will be going through them. There are 5 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. As usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because, as the title suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of 24-Hour Self-Confidence, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit different. So what is this product all about? Well, you can discover an epic way to boost self-confidence, insanely fast results within 24 hours. And of course, it's a private label rights bundle, which you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profits starting today. The sales video is here. It's also on my bonus page, so you can watch it at either one. Why you want this private label rights package? Well, you can use it to generate your own free viral traffic. You can sell this as your own and keep 100% of the profits. High quality video and image bundle. So this is a product that has got the videos included on the front end, which we will say is great with PLR. A lot of them just give you like a book version of the course on the front end, but this gives you the videos as well, which is excellent. It comes with done-for-you professional marketing materials. You can sell unlimited copies, no expiration, and one-time payment, no hidden charges. So just a quick reminder, as well as obviously being able to sell this and keep 100% of the profits, you can rebrand it in any way you like and claim authorship, and some of my custom bonuses will enable you to do that. You can also give it away as a bonus with a paid product. You can also give it away as a really great lead magnet to attract loads of new subscribers onto your list. Or you could use the content as a series of articles, either on your website or blog, or to interact with your email list. So the possibilities with private label rights products are pretty endless. So let's head over and have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page, and this video that I'm recording will be in here. That's just a quick recap of what we were talking about, 24-Hour Self-Confidence, what it's all about. This is a sales video. Let's just have a quick flavor of this.
Hey, it's Dexter here with the Fixable team, and today I'm going to show you how you could have your very own internet business without having...
Okay, so do watch that sales video, folks. It's only about 3 minutes long, so it won't take you very long to watch. Okay, so these are the bonuses that I'm going to throw in for you. The first one is
how to worry about product creation and expensive overhead fees. You see, I've been blessed to have internet marketing take care of it. Us, a roof over our heads, food in our...
Okay, all right. Hopefully you'll shut up this time. Okay, so the first bonus is how to rebrand PLR ebooks for free. All right. So obviously, one of the main ways that you can profit from private label rights products is to claim authorship of them and put them out as if they are your own products. but you need to know how to do this. It's actually very straightforward to rebrand a PLR ebook, and in this video tutorial it will tell you exactly which software to go, which site to go to for the free software that will enable you to be able to do this completely free of charge. There are just a couple of sites that you need to join as a member for free, and they will give you the templates that enable you easily to rebrand PLR ebooks. Secondly, I'm going to give you this much longer course, is about an hour plus this one. This is 5 different ways that you can make $10,000 using private label rights videos. Now, of course, this course comes with the video version on the front end, but you may well have a lot of other PLR videos that you've picked up from other PLR products, a lot of which you may have got from my own promotions over the past year. Well, this, as I said, 1 hour plus tutorial will show you 5 ways that you can make $10,000 using PLR videos. Third one, so returning to the core content of this, a 24-hour self-confidence, closely aligned to this is this brain training masterclass that will teach you how you can train your brain. And again, if you were planning on using 24-hour self-confidence as, you know, part of a series that you were going to put on your list, then this will also help you with that. And of course, you could also use this brain training masterclass in conjunction with this technique here about videos. Fourth bonus, again, one of the other things that you can do with this is to use it as great content for your blog. Well, this is a tutorial on an 8-point plan to monetize your blog. So if you've got a website or blog, you're going to add this content to it from 24-hour self-confidence, then this is how you can monetize that. And finally, the other thing, of course, great thing for doing with PLR is to use it for list building or to interact with your email list. Well, one of the kings of email marketing in the super affiliate world is Brendan Mace, and this is his 10K email manifesto that he wrote for students of his Project Profit Academy, of which I'm a member, of course. So there you have it. There are my 5 custom bonuses that you can pick up with this front end product. So let's just go down and have a look then at what the modules are. You can read the rest of the sales page yourself, folks. I'm not going to bother with going through that, but I just want to go through what the modules are. So in the first thing is the training videos. So you get a complete set of training videos that cover all the course content. And let's just get a little flavor of this.
From negating others out of fear of looking dumb in front of others. Do you feel jealous, bitter, or negative about others' accomplishments and material possessions?
Okay, I didn't actually switch this on from the start, but this is like part of an initial questionnaire. So the process of deciding where you are self-confidence-wise requires you to complete a questionnaire to say how you feel about certain situations right now. So that's the very first module of the course, and you've got sort of multiple choice answers to do in this questionnaire, which is why the boxes are there. I can't actually rewind it from the sales page here, but when you actually watch it from the sales page, you'll be able to see the whole thing from the start. It's actually very good. And then obviously you've got the book version of it as well. So you've got the video version and the book version. And these are the chapters. So chapter 1 is the first hour, checking your level of self-confidence, which is what this video is all about. Chapter 2, the next hour, the naked exercise. Chapter 3, the next 2 hours, shifting gears and fears. Chapter 4, the next 2 hours, getting to know your inner child, why it matters. The next chapter, a biography map. The next chapter, the happy thought exercise. Next chapter, 1 hour of social media bliss, techie and toxic. Next one is 2 hours of bubble wraps and other wraps. The next one, sleeping our way to confidence. And finally, the last hour, confident now, what's next? So that is your 24-hour journey to self-confidence. You get, obviously, high-quality guides, cheat sheets, a mind map, a resource report, a giveaway report. So this is a lead mag. If you were intending to use the main PLR products as a product that you wanted to sell on, well, firstly, you need to give something away to get people interested in that. So we've got this report to give away, which is Discover Weight Loss Hacks for Busy People and Reasons You're Not Losing Weight. All right. Module 7 are 3 principal checklists. Module 8, you've got 10 different e-covers that you can use. Obviously, you rebrand all these as well. This is the current one. You've got infographics. 4 infographics for social media posts, all included there. They're all pretty cool. 10 social media posters. Again, they look great. Muhammad Ali there. PowerPoint presentation slides. You've got voiceover audios. You've got articles to use, you've got royalty-free images that you can use, and of course your license pack. Pretty sweet package, yeah, I agree with that. Again, confirmation of all the things you can do with private label rights, pretty much anything except sell on the private label rights again. So $17.02 is the cost of this. It's going up on a dime sale, so it might cost you a few cents more, folks, but not much more than that. It will be going up, however, every number of sales, so probably normally every 12 sales, something like that, it'll go up 1 cent. So that is pretty cool. So what we're going to do now is have a look at the upsells before we wrap things up. So we know what we're getting in the front end. The first upsell is $27, and this gives you a lot more sales materials, folks, if you're going to sell this product on and keep the profit. So you get a sales page, sales copy, sales videos, a video sales letter script, more graphics, squeeze pages to use for your reports, follow-up emails, product banners, promotional emails, and a license pack. So that is $27. The second upsell is completely done for you setup. So if you want everything done for you, installed and ready to go, you know, rebranding, etc., that is $27. The third upsell, you're given a choice to select 1, 2, or 3 done for you businesses with technical installation. So everything complete. So in other words, the equivalent of the done for you setup, but for 3 separate brand new PLR products. So you're effectively getting 3 new businesses, or up to 3. So you can choose 1 done for you setup for 97, 2 for 167, or 3 for 247. Or you can just choose the PLR products on their own, which is the downsell. With this, you just get the PLR. You don't actually get the setup and everything else done for you. So if you just want the PLR products themselves, then 1 of them, 2 is 69 and 3 is 97. Either way, all of that is pretty good. Have a look at the sales pages, folks, but I recommend that you pick up as much of that as you can afford to do. And that, folks, is pretty much it. Great PLR product. This in an evergreen niche, sure to prove popular. If you want to pick up all of these extra bonuses, all you need to do is click any of the green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Reminder, you just go to the bottom here and click on add to cart, and then that will bring you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you just click on the green button, excuse my bald head there, green button to access your copy of 24-Hour Self-Confidence, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. All that's left for me to do is to thank you for watching and listening as ever to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do click on the subscribe button underneath and you'll be informed every time I release new content. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of 24-Hour Self-Confidence PLR.